Hi everyone, this is Miss Morris, and I wanted to tell you about a wonderful free resource that you can use to help you prepare for the ACT. There are a lot of different sites and places that will charge you money to use this, but to prepare for the ACT. But we have something that's free and it's actually really great, really comprehensive, and I think that if you do the work, you're going to see the results after you take your test. This site is called Edgenuity. A lot of you are familiar with it, but for those of you who aren't, we're going to just let you know how it works. So here, click on open up a tab, and you're going to go to student.edgenuity.com, and you're going to put in your unique username and password. If you are unsure of your password, please shoot me an email and I will reset your password for you. After you enter your username and password, click on Login. On the left-hand side, you'll see the course or courses that you are enrolled in through Edgenuity. As you can see here, this is ACT Test Prep, all subjects. The ACT will be taken here on February 27th, and you will take it in math, reading, writing, and science. The three subjects that are listed here under Edgenuity are math, reading, and science. You're not going to have any prep for the writing. So once you get there, click on the test, ACT Test Prep. On the bottom, you're going to see Course Map. Before we get to the course map, at the top here, once you log in, you'll see all the different subjects, how far you've completed, as well as an overall grade. And this grade does not go to anyone. I don't want you to be discouraged like, oh man, I didn't do well on this. The whole point of this is to help you do well once you take the test. So if you see there's something that you're not doing well on, go back, use it as a refresher, ask your teachers to give you a little insight or some extra help on it. Again, this is going to help you do really great on that ACT. So click on Course Map. And over here, you'll see, again, life science. If you scroll on down, you'll see physical science, earth science, all of the different subjects for math, as well as for English and for reading. Each one has a warm-up, it has instructions, summary, assignment, and a quiz. Now, it's not going to let you go ahead and, you know what, I did listen to the warm-up, so I'm just going to go ahead and jump to the quiz. You do need to get through each one of them before it will allow you to proceed to the next section. So please don't just rush through it. All the information here is relevant so that, again, you can do well. For those of you that may not want to read it yourself, but you want to have it read, you don't want to hear it, but you want to read it, there's a video transcript here at the bottom. So again, the resources here for those of you that may not be a visual learner, but maybe you're an auditory learner, everything is here for you. So no excuses. So once you go here and go through all of those, you can return to the lobby. And once you are done with it for the day, you can go ahead and sign out. Again, there's a lot of time between now and February 27th. The different tasks are not very comprehensive. They're not going to take a whole lot of time. I would suggest doing it in chunks so it does not feel overwhelming, because I know you have a lot on your plate with your college classes, your high school classes, but every little bit of time, whether it is 10 minutes a day, maybe 30 minutes on Sunday, anytime you can find to spend on this is going to be helpful. If you wanted to start on the subject that you feel that you need more support on, start there. You don't necessarily have to start with the science. You can start with math if you feel like that's where you need the extra support. But again, this is here for you. If you have any questions about logging in or your password, anything that I can help you with, please feel free to email me, and I'll make sure that you get what you need to be successful. Thanks a lot.